Welcome guys. Today we are going to show how you can change your Android SDK path. So I'm launching the Android Studio. The default location for the Android SDK is C drive, Android, and whatever the location is. Basically C drive. You can change it anywhere, or if you have just installed Android Studio and you already kept the Android SDK file, as it have in large size it has, so you can copy it or paste it anywhere. If you install the Android Studio and just paste that files there in the Android Studio and just give the path. So you can give the path from here also. And if you don't have any project yet created, so you can, the basic dialog box of the Android Studio is here. You can go here and try SDK manager, or you can go to setting Android SDK. The default location is here. Or if you just install the Android Studio, or you do not install the Android SDK, or do not download SDK, or if you have Android already downloaded SDK, you can go here, edit the path, and we have to edit from here. Here is the from here you can go anywhere, and where your desired Android SDK is placed. You can go, give the path, and click OK. After OK, click next, and I already I do not give the path, so you can click next, and it will take several minutes. So here it says an existing Android SDK was detected. It is detecting as I already kept my on, so you can give the path here, click OK next, and then click finishes, and your Android SDK path is if you want to check it, create an application, any application you want, and click synchronize project with the created file. Your project will be synchronized if the build is running and is completely running. My application is synchronizing. It will take several minutes to complete. If any error is here, so you can also go and check your Android SDK location, whether you can give the correct path or not. So it means my application is synchronized successfully, and if your application is synchronized successfully, means your Android SDK path is correct. Hopefully guys you can understand. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share with your friends if you like it, and click the subscribe button for more videos.